Alright guys, I'm at a job here. I'm trying to fix other company besides all the burns on the wall. Anyways, what they did is they got their supply for their hydronics from the domestic side. We don't want that. You want them separate for many reasons. And these hot water tanks have heat exchangers inside. So one of them was going up there for supply, cold water, and the other one was dangling here. They must have did a change of some sort. So I got my supply here. I'm gonna tie in here, put a T here on these top supplies. I'm gonna put a pressure relief valve, a hose bib, and an air vent, and I'm gonna plumb to this. And at the bottom, same thing, and a T. I'm gonna put a T for a expansion tank and a for the water feed. My water feed is here, so I'm gonna tie into my water feed there, and that's it. Get her done. Alright guys, just got my helper to solder some things here. So again, I don't know what they did there. They had it tying into the domestic water loop, which is not right. It will not work. Hot water tanks that have heat exchanger coils in them. So anyways, so I made that my water feed. It's went up there. I mounted it up there. Backflow plus pressure regulator. It's gonna come down. I'm gonna pipe this one here. Hose bib, pressure relief valve, air vent. Gonna hooked up there. My supply. Down there is my return. I got my expansion tank in there. It's getting hooked up here. I didn't know it was gonna be long enough, so I have another T there anyways. And that's it. That's my feed. We're all hooked up. Alright guys, now this is proper. Got my relief valve. Got my air vent. I like to put in a valve on it, so when you replace them, you don't have to close the whole loop or drain anything. Got my water feed. I put it up there. It's going there. This is properly done. You don't want your floor warming tied into your domestic, you know, in the summertime when it's stagnant and not being used. That's all that crap black water and into your domestic feed. You don't want that. Actually, it's against code. So glad that's fixed. These Bradford and Whites have heat exchangers in them, so we use them. Got a drain here. Got my expansion tank. I put it back there out of the way. Gonna replace this gauge. It's broken that they put. Besides the wall, them killing the wall with burns. But anyways, doesn't look too bad now. At least it's working the way it should be. I'll test it out. We'll go from there. Hot water supply goes up, feeds my hot water side. This is the mixing valve. So my mixing comes here, whatever it's set to, it releases into the system, goes to my supply of the manifolds, and there's a few other manifolds, and the return comes back here. Comes from my manifolds, as well as the return side down here. Goes up and gets tied in here. Sorry, where am I here? Here. So, it's working. Solder.